Howdy, I'm Kyle Chambers with Texas Quality Assurance, and I want to talk to you this morning about TQA Cloud. TQA Cloud is a QMS software solution developed by Texas Quality Assurance specifically for small and mid-sized business. Our goal is to make quality management simple and easy to use. So let's dive right in and take a look at TQA Cloud. TQA Cloud, as you may notice, is designed and built specifically for Microsoft Office 365. So you get to make even better use of those licenses you're already paying for and using on a daily basis. Within TQA Cloud, we've got a few things going on here. So first, we have our standard navigation over here on the left-hand side, as well as the dashboard here on the homepage. And we have several modules available. We've got our document control module, QMS Management, Competence and Training, Occupational Health and Safety, and very similar to your standard network file shares, but everything runs through Microsoft OneDrive, so you can have that data on the go even when you're away from the office. So let's take a look at document control. Within document control, we've got a lot of great features available here. Several standard document libraries. Each document library has features including the approval process. In fact, each document can have its own separate and unique approval process, as well as complete version history and control of that version history. Additionally, we have several how-to videos within each module so that you can get the help and support you need right away. What's more is if we go back to our homepage, is we always have the option to contact our service desk if you have any questions or need any assistance at all. Let's move next to QMS Management. So QMS Management is the option for us to track our nonconformance reports, corrective action reports, calibrations and maintenance, approved supplier list, and audit management. So this gives you everything you need to maintain your quality management system on a day-to-day basis. You even have integrated in here several custom reports for NCRs, corrective, preventative actions. Within each of these reports, we can sort and filter. So if we want to take a look at a specific project we're working on, we can see everything associated with that project, all the way down to the cost of poor quality associated with it. Next, let's take a look at our competence and training module. Competence and training is one of my personal favorite modules of the system because I used to be a health and safety manager. And as a health and safety manager, let me tell you, it is difficult to analyze and gather all of the detail necessary to know who missed a training, who maybe failed the test, who was absent that day, a new employee that came in, maybe outside of the normal hiring sequence. And we have to make certain that they have all of the trainings they need on a daily basis. So what we can do here is take a look at a single report that gathers and analyzes all of the data of all of our training requirements. So let's say here that we are interested in seeing who has had our benzene quiz, or perhaps we're looking for someone that needs to have their confined spaces training. So we can select that training from the report here. We can see everyone who is either overdue for or never had the report. And we can do this by looking at it in certain time intervals, 30 days, 60, 90, you name it. But all the options are there. Next, let's move briefly to our file shares. Here we have several file shares from our company, general file share, executive, secured differently for the executive team, as well as our production file shares. And all of these sync to your OneDrive on your local computer. So you can sync like we see here, where we have here are all of the synced libraries that I have. And these can be available for on the go or cloud only execution. We have next occupational health and safety. We're looking at adding some fun tools in here in the future, but currently we do have a full-scale accident investigation module. Great tool for any safety managers out there or small business owners just looking to do things properly. One of the last features I want to look at here for you is these are what we call our site lists. And each of these site lists are some of the drop-down menus that you will see appear throughout the site. And these are all editable by the end user. So we make sure everything's there all the way down to our security portal and approvals portal so that you can make certain that only the appropriate members of your team have access to the appropriate locations within the site. So that's it in a nutshell. We're going to do some more detailed videos here to come to drill down into each of these modules. But if you have any questions at all about TQA Cloud, you want to see how this can help you and your business accelerate improvement in your quality management system, do not hesitate to contact us. All the information is going to be in the comments below. So you guys have a great day and get back to doing work that matters.